I ran into this last week, he as well fixed it for me. Activating a new device on Bell Mobility can seem tricky at first, but it is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the activation process, make sure you have your new device, your Bell Mobility account details, and the IMEI number of your new device. You can find the IMEI by dialing *#6# on your phone. Step 2. Visit the Bell Mobility website. Go to the Bell Mobility website and log into your account. Look for the Activated Device option in the menu. This will guide you to the activation section. Step 3. Select your device. Once in the activation section, select the type of device you are activating. If you are switching from an old device, you may need to enter the old device's details as well. Step 4. Follow on-screen instructions. Follow the prompts on the screen. You will be asked to confirm your account information and the new device's IMEI. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. A quick tip, double-check the IMEI number. If it is incorrect, the activation will fail. Step 5. Complete activation. After confirming all details, click on the Activate button. You should receive a confirmation message once the activation is successful. Restart your device to ensure it connects to the network. If you follow these steps, you should have your new device up and running in no time. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Bell Mobility Customer Service for assistance. Happy connecting!